I'm gonna do some grilled shrimp on the Kamado tonight. And we've got 1 pound of Gulf shrimp peeled in the vein. I'm gonna be using Derek Wolfe's Chipotle garlic. This will be the first time using that. We got some olive oil, and then we'll use a dash of some pink Himalayan salt there. We got the grill running at a nice temp. I'm going to melt a little bit of butter in this cast iron pot right there, and we're going to use that. We'll mix a little bit of our seasoning in that butter and baste them. We'll cook our shrimp over here on this side. Okay, I think we're ready to go ahead and throw the shrimp on there. Tone that fire down just a little bit there. I can't hit record without some kind of loud noise coming by my house. Either a siren or exhaust. All right, we'll let those cook for a couple minutes there, and then flip them over. Oh, I got one more in there. I didn't see. Okay. Now we're gonna put a little bit of our seasoning in there in that butter. And we'll have a little bit of butter baste right here that we can baste our shrimp with. And close that up and let it cook for just a minute. All right, let's go ahead and let's flip them all over. Getting real close now. Go ahead and take our baste. Go ahead and baste them with some more butter and seasoning. All right. There we have it. All right, guys, there's our grilled shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and give one a try. Excellent. Got a really good grilled, a little bit of a smoky taste because I got a little bit of the smoked wood on there. Those are delicious. I'm ready to go inside and finish eating those.